Hi, this is Megan with V12 Software. Today's video, I'll walk you through on how to edit your Craigslist live ads. We have one of the best posting tools for Craigslist, and you can run your ads automatically and hands-free. But sometimes you might want to change some details on your ads. First, log into your V12 account. Once logged in, click on the Craigslist icon. There are two modes of posting on Craigslist: speed post and web post. Speed post uses our V12 partner account, and you can edit all your ads from your account directly. Web post uses your own Craigslist account, and if you want to make changes to one of your ads, you need to log into your account on Craigslist and edit your post. Choose which ad you'd like to edit, then click on the edit button, and it will take you to the ad edit page. Both speed post and web post get you on the same Craigslist page to edit your ads. You can perform three main changes to live ads: edit the post content, edit the pictures on the ad, and edit the address on the ads map. Let's start with the post content. To edit your post, click on the Edit this post. From here, you can edit the category, the title, the price, but most importantly, the body of your ad. You cannot add irrelevant keywords. For example, mention of any other make that's not related to the make of the vehicle that you're advertising. And you cannot add an email address to the body of the ad. The title is the one that gets shown at the top of your ad. Post and details settings are these highlights on the left side on your ad. Phone or text section is the one on the reply button, as you can see. Location info is the one shown underneath the map on your ad. For fast editing, you can search using Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac. If you'd like to update ad pictures, click on the Update Images button. From here, you can add or delete as well as arrange your images in the order you want. Once you finish, don't forget to hit the Save button. Please note, you cannot add Spix banner as your ad's featured picture, and maximum pictures allowed is 24. Click on the Edit location. You can change the address from there. Bear in mind that the changes you made here will only affect this and only this ad. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support team at 650-284-0497 or send us an email to help@v12software.com.